President Trump vowing to usher in what he called a golden age of innovation with this technology prosperity deal that was announced. So you have a number of American companies, the likes of Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, set to invest billions in the UK, two nations collaborating on AI, nuclear and cyber security innovations as well. So is this a big deal? Let's ask Doug Flynn about it, co-founder at Flynn Zito Capital Management. Is it, Doug?
Yeah, I think it is. I mean, the companies are obviously doing it because there are profits there to be had by investing in a stable country overseas. You diversify your revenue, and it does have indirect job creation here in the U.S. in support of that, in addition to the jobs that'll get created in the U.K. So I think all these global brands want to have a global footprint and therefore global earnings. And so reduce your reliance a little bit on the U.S. by spreading it out, and those are all good things. So I think those are the reasons why they'll invest to expand their revenue over here and ultimately profits for those companies in the U.S.
It's a carriage ride like you on your way into work each morning, which we like that, the way you get in. Right? It's interesting. It's not the only tech investment, by the way. That was the Nvidia investing in Intel was interesting. We're going to get into it next hour today. I wanted to ask you a question while we have you that we started to talk about yesterday after the Fed cuts rates, because I think a lot of people are really thinking about this on housing. So what do you really think is going to happen here next in the housing market? Mortgage rates lowest since October of last year. Mm-hmm. You know, it's still affordability. It seems to be still an issue, though. What's going to happen?
Well, it's going to take a while for the affordability to really move, and even with rates coming down, which are a good thing, the housing values are so high that it several areas of the country, people even in the median income for a median priced home. The median price of homes has gone up by over $100,000 in the last 5 years, from 300 and something thousand to over 400,000 now, and that's just the median. Most people want to buy a home that's worth more than that. So what it takes to carry that has gone up by 60%. You need 60% more income just in the last couple of years. So lower interest rates will help, but we really severely underbuilt, so there's not a lot of supply, and you don't get movement from the old people leaving if they're going to end up if people aren't going to flip their houses because they're sitting at a very low mortgage rate. You need rates to be lower to start that activity and the movement to happen. So that's where it begins.
It's crazy numbers. I'm going to try to take some time here in a few minutes to go through some of the numbers, but there was this report that said even if they went to zero on mortgage rates, you'd still have an affordability problem in some parts of the country, which tells you how high home prices are. But anyway, Doug, thank you. Doug Flynn with us.